Besides the ever so popular Grand Falls, Kranzel, Active 2.0s, Karcher, pressure washers, it's good to know that there are some locally that you can go out and get in a pinch, such as the Harbor Freight Bauer pressure washers. There's a 2000 PSI and a 2300 PSI, and we're going to look at the latter today, the 2300 PSI 1.2 gallon brushless power washer. Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Not a lot to do when we put this together out of the box. The handle itself with a couple areas to hang your hoses and cords. It comes with a hose, comes with a wand and an extension. We're going to be using our own hose, or maybe we'll put two hoses together and we're going to use the snub-nosed nozzle as well. You can use the hose that comes with the pressure washer. You can go out and source your own hose to the length that you want. You can also put a few hoses together if you have couplers that will affect the pressure slightly, however. Keep that in mind. It should be no problem whatsoever to have this up and running within 5 minutes of pulling everything from the box. So that there gives you a little bit of an idea of how long it has to run, the sound, the pressure that it has. There are all sorts of tests you can do to make sure that you're getting the gallon per minute and the pressure that it states or indicates. Those are always inflated. I can just skip that and tell you that now. And the most important part to me is taking it out and using it in the field and sharing my experience that way. Does it have enough pressure to wash wheel wells on trucks, blast away bug splatter, pressure washer use when you're using the foam cannon, and also rinsing. The shop manager there was trying to interject that she witnessed us using the pressure washer quite a few times, and it in fact will get the job done. May not be the fanciest thing in the world or the hottest thing to talk about, but it gets you where you need to go when it comes to washing your own vehicle or chores around the house. Having accumulated quite a few foam cannons by now, I can tell you with most of them you will get nice thick shaving cream like foam using this attached to the power washer. It does a fine job with the pre-wash, rinsing off that foam after it has emulsified and lifted some of the grittiness, and you can rinse that free before the contact wash. Having to deal with coatings and paint protection film on a daily basis, somewhere in between 2000 PSI and 2300 PSI is the sweet spot when it comes to pressure washers. You do not need an overpowered gas-powered pressure washer unless you want to use it for other hardcore chores around the home or work. This here at 2300 is plenty of power. At this price point and being able to get it locally, what's going to come into question is durability or longevity. Those that you can order at a much higher price sometimes break down just as quick, though, keep in mind. Sometimes you can get lucky and get a cheaper locally bought pressure washer to last. Mine normally last about a year and a half. We use ours a couple times a day on a daily basis, and the last one we had bought locally was the Greenworks, and it lasted about a year and a half. I would go ahead and give this a 6 or a 7 out of 10, and it's worth a shot if you're in a pinch.